Okay, Justin.
Tamara. Hold on, I think I know what nigga wait Tamara with. I think I know what we can do to wait Tamara.
What?
Call her, like hang up, and then we'll call her. Cause you know that thing ring kinda loud.
Mm-hmm. Oh. I'm about to keep sending her messages. I was just on my computer all day. Here comes Johnny.
Johnny just signed in.
Good. Wake up, Justin, right now.
Justin, Jose, your feet are hungry. Wake your ass up.
Why Tamara still didn't get... I said that dude tried to call me back. I didn't even know that. So it won't call him. What be wrong with our ooVoo?
What be wrong with your ooVoo? It let me call.
Man, shut up. Yours be hanging up too. Alright, I gotta sign out.
It don't be my ooVoo, it be my internet.
You heard me? I don't know what it be with me. But I gotta sign out and sign right back on.
It don't be my ooVoo, it be my internet.
I gotta sign out, alright?
Huh?
I gotta sign out.
Why?
Because it won't work. Bye.